It's snowing. It's a blizzard. Everybody's staying home today. We're all staying home. Nobody's going out. It's snowing out. It's cold. Everyone, I'm making soup. I want everybody at that table in 5 minutes. The soup's almost ready. Oh, my, you're making soup? Well, not you. You gotta go shovel. What do you mean I gotta shovel? What happened? Everybody stays in today. You know, I'm your mother, woman who gave you life. You can't go out for 2 seconds and shovel. All right, I'll go shovel. Thank you, honey. Now bundle up, it's cold. I want 2 sweaters, 2 jackets, I want boots on, and then I want you right back in the house because we're all having soup.